Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to find hot dropshipping products to test and to sell. And there are a lot of different strategies, but I always prefer to keep it to keep everything very simple. So in this video I want to show you basically the process and basically reverse engineering process that I always have when I'm finding new products to test and to scale. And this process is responsible for multiple seven-figure e-commerce stores. So for sure it's working. So I want to show you everything step. Product has to be has some proof of concept that it's selling, that people are ready to pay for it. So whether it's your competitors or marketplace, or there should be some proof of concept that people are buying this product actively and ready to pay money for this, right? Another one is how hard to find elsewhere. So this is kind of like the bonus, right? Sometimes you can do very well with products that your competitors do very well with, right? So that's kind of like the bonus. So you have to kind of be after unique product, because a lot of people going after unique products and they don't end up well because there is no market demand for these products, or consumers are not aware of that product. So be careful. It's better to go after the product that is already getting some demand and people are buying it than going after the product that is not proven, and you might spend hundreds and thousands of dollars in tests just to find that it's not selling. Now typically why people buy product is because it's new way to solve existing problem or ultra discounted commodity, right? So these are basically two main reasons why people are buying products from you, either done from Amazon, right? So when they see something, they buy emotionally because it's it's either a new way to solve existing problem or ultra discounted commodity. And high perceived value for margins, right? So if you see the product that for example, if this pen looks like $1, right, then probably I'll only pay $1, right? But if it was made from gold, maybe I would pay a lot more for this pen, right? And growing trend. So trend is very important, and I cover this in another one of my videos where I talk about timing and how important is timing to basically find products. Sometimes timing is more important than any other factor, right? So first method, and I like to keep it very simple, guys. Let's say any business page that has ads that actively advertising, you can find any ads for it, right? So for example this website, if you go to Facebook ads library, right, you can see all of the ads that these guys are doing. And for example, you can find any ads for this page. So you can find quite a lot of different ads, and see exactly how these people advertise. And as you can see, this one has 150 ads, right, which is quite a lot. So they are advertising heavily with different angles, with different ads, with different creatives. So you can see their ads, you can kind of reverse engineer their whole funnel from here, right? So that's one of the ways. Now another one is basically to become engaged shopper, where if you would see some of these ads in your feed, where if you click on this shop now button, right, that would basically qualify you for Facebook as engaged shopper. So other advertisers will try to basically target you with their ads, right? So that really helps to kind of see new products in your newsfeed. And then you might see some product actually that does very well in your newsfeed, right? Ecom Hunt, right? So that's another tool where you can find tools that are also so you can find here some of the products that already do well, and I cover this in one of my other videos. You can find products that already do well, and you can find the profit margins for them. You can find the ads. You can find how many stores are already selling the same product. So you can find quite a lot of data for these products. So you can get in basically on research products, and they have quite a lot of these products here. We didn't use this product this app actively because we use mostly AdSpy, which is a tool for also reverse engineering the most successful ads, and I'll cover this in a second. And you basically with Ecom Hunt, you can also reverse engineer. Okay, so what was working before? Let me just reverse engineer. Maybe there are some products that are have this all of these things that we have discussed, and for sure they have, because they've done well in the past. they have this like new way to solve existing problems. So even if you found the product that was doing very well, like in the past, like for example, like this one, right? So summertime, it probably will do very well, or like this one, right? It's evergreen product, and just like the angles are changing for it. Or lipstick, right? These products will do just every single time, they'll do very well, because just like the matter of like making it profitable, you might not be profitable, but you should get sales with these products, because these products are evergreen, right? And so you can do your own like research on what apps, like on what products you consider like having good potential, and then basically just reverse engineering their whole funnel and building funnels around those products. Now, so with another method that we use is using Aliexpress, right? And Aliexpress is very interesting because there are a lot of data and a lot of different products that Aliexpress sells, right? And there are a few ways that you can approach this. So, for example, if you type here in any of these categories that you have in Aliexpress, let's say consumer electronics, you can find any products in these categories that done the best. So you can find like this one, for example, done like 6,000 sales. For example, if you go to another category, let's say we go to like men's clothing, right? We want to find like the most successful men's clothing products, right? So like this one, this t-shirt has done very well, right? So that basically you can reverse engineer all of that stuff. Now, you can also search by keywords. So for example, if we were to search for watch, right? Like watch, right? So these are the most successful watches of all time. And that's basically from Aliexpress data. That's not necessarily, what's actually happened like in e-commerce or dropshipping space, because a lot of times, like once you start like getting some initial sales, you would work with supplier directly, right? So that's kind of like just guesses, right, on what works. But here we use very interesting app which is called Shopify, right? And you can go here and you can install it for yourself in Google Chrome shop, right? And so here this app allows us to see the trends, right? What are the trends are happening, right? So we have like sales activities, like let's say sales, right? We just reverse engineer sales, right? So how many sales have happened here, like, and they have also the trends, right? So trends are typically like this product is basically it's not doing very well, right? Right now you can get more into these metrics they have, and this is free app, so you can definitely start using it. And you can see more metrics, like for example, look for this product in other sellers. Who does the best here, right? As you can see it, pricing difference, Aliexpress sender shipping, like so different shipping methods here, right? So statistics for sales and stuff like that. So that's very interesting product app that you can use to kind of like get more insights on what's happening and what's selling right now. The ad spy, my favorite one, because it's actually it's like very straightforward to use, and it's it shows you all of the ads that like done well, like for example for Shopify, seen between, let's say, so you can see seen between like this month's order by number of like wow reactions and technology Shopify. So it's quite interesting, like you can see like what's still working. I mean, jewelry still sells, right? You can see more jewelry, mosquito bite tool, right? This one, like free plus shipping offer, right? So you can see a lot of different ads that are doing very well, and Ad Spy is, personally my favorite. So you can search here, for example, for technology like Shopify, but also you can search technology, for example, like ClickFunnels, because a lot of people selling their like e-commerce products through ClickFunnels, right? And you can see like what is actually was the most successful product on ClickFunnels with Ad Spy, right? So you can see here, not all of them, but you can see like this one, like Black Pearl, right? I mean, this is wow effect, guys. This is wow effect. I mean, this is definitely, so this product does very well in Greece now, but I believe it will do very well in the United States as well. So you can see kind of like the thought process, kind of like getting like what is, what is actually working, right? So for example, if I wanted to like reverse engineer this one, like I would go to their website first of all. I would see how they sell it. So March 20. They don't scale it very hard because it's in Greece, right? It's a limited market in terms of like how many people you can reach, how many items can you sell. But you can see how they sell it. They have the form here, and this is ClickFunnels page. So they obviously have several upsells in there. And I don't know what's the cost for this product. So it's 59 euros, which is quite a lot, right? 59 euros for a cream. That's quite a lot. So this product is definitely has potential. Probably would be, might be tricky to sell it with Facebook with all of the policies and regulations, but that is something that you can find if you just like dig into these products and try to find another winner, right? You want to reverse engineer the whole funnel of a winning store, and you want to see if they do well for a long time. So here, for example, one of the first things that I would test would be like to test their traffic, to basically test their website traffic. So we'll go to, you can go to SimilarWeb, right? So this website does not have stats, right? So we need to find websites that actually have some, like, for example, this one, right? So let's say if you wanted to reverse engineer this one, right? We would go to this website, and it's not necessarily I think it's not, it's probably more like information product, right? So they sell it for like $37. But also like you can find if you go here and you reverse engineer their, let's say if you wanted to reverse engineer them, right? You want to see like whether these guys are successful, right? Whether they're doing well, right? So would search if their like main website, their main domain has a lot of traffic. So here, put it like this, and then it will search their main domain. So they're doing well, like 50 to 200 people, right? There's quite a lot. They're getting quite a lot of traffic. So and also these ads that these guys run, like 34 million views. Like no one spends like money on 30. It's been running like since 2017, guys. So that's what's interesting, where you can kind of like reverse engineer these, right? This one here, like free sea turtle bracelet, right? It's been running only for like 2 months. It's gotten some engagement, some results here, right? So you can just go here and see like what is their funnel look like. Right? Okay, so you can see here, person in the company. So probably not a lot of like good funnels like with ClickFunnels. So you would probably go with like Shopify. Will get you like for sure will get you some good results. And seeing between these dates very important, because you can see like what's actually relevant now, right? So these are the first, like in order of priority, you want to go after products that you see that are selling right now. So that's basically how you do it, guys. You can see all of these products here. You can go into like their website, reverse engineer if they have like a lot of traffic, and then from there kind of like see if that's a good model to emulate, to learn from, because you want to learn from from businesses and also from people that have done very well. That's kind of like the main criteria, because we all like try to learn and emulate and model everything that's in our space. And if we proactively choose to model something that's working, we'll do very well. So that's it, guys. That's Ultimate Product Research Guide for 2019. It's very simple. You probably have seen like dozens and hundreds of different ways to research products, but that's what we use. We use very simple tools that anyone can access, right? But the only difference is how we create ads for it, how we sell it, how we position it, how we build funnels for it, and that's basically what makes the whole difference. So this is it, guys. If you like this video, please comment below if you have any questions, and like this video if that was good, if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll release more content like this, interesting interviews, strategies, insights for you to help you scale your business.